150 million tons of agriculture waste annually is wasted or is burnt in the fields. Therefore, we found a solution for the nation. Instead of using wood, you can switch over to processed and engineered wood made from agro waste.
Sustainable building materials is very important, and I'm happy that your company is contributing to that development.
The product was accepted internationally for its high quality. We preferred, with our commitment to serve environment, the largest concept with a great conviction.